guys, Sack Loco's taking off. Sack Loco's going to Polk today. I think they're running 3 engines, I can't tell yet. Yes. Can't tell what the sack is running. Can't tell what the sack's running today. Hopefully some good power. Yeah, it looks like they are running 3 engines today. That's cool. Yep, sack was 3 units today. I can't tell what the lead unit is right now. Looks like 506 or 508. Okay, 506 lead unit. Gates are going down. Go to the pole! There he goes, guys. He goes to Sack Loco. Go to the bolt. So let's try and peace out. The gate should be going up any second. Ready to go.